Placards aplenty, gathering for a cause, all signs of a protest, except it's anything but.
The teachers them in the world. Without them, it wouldn't possible for anybody. So I just wanted to let you know that. Be strong, standing there. Anytime school over, we're here to support you.
And so they held their placards, waving and cheering for anyone who tooted their horns while driving by.
How long in the day out here?
Out here from 7 this morning.
What does it feel like, the people passing by?
We're getting numerous support. On tooting, people stop them vehicle, come out. The respect is a good initiative we're doing.
The parents were outside the gates of St. Richard's Primary in St. Andrew. The colors and the designs of their placards were varied, but the quotes alike. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Another reads, if there were no teachers, no other profession would exist. The parents say especially now they see the effort that teachers put into their craft.
At this time, when I still at home, I have to see me sleepless nights, because one night my teacher up till after 1, so I know that the work I put in. So guess what? We have to grow it back some way, somehow, and I eat this.
What is so special about the teachers here that really drive you to get up out of your yard from 7 o'clock and there with the sun?
I have to drive the love I have for my teacher, my teacher, anything for the darling, anything, come on, there. And we can't do it money-wise, but love-wise and gratefulness, but far away. Blessings and most honor to all of them.
And no brainer for us to come out here and just show our appreciation to all the St. Richard's teachers who have gone out and like we are peer, a mother and a father to our students here at St. Richard's. Take the time out to give them extra work, and in the time of this pandemic where students are at home, they are putting on the effort to do online classes.
The parents didn't only brandish cute quotes, prayers were also extended, like this one. Dear God, thank you for amazing teachers who have given their lives to serve our children as they prepare for this pandemic. Fill them with strength to lead, grace to guide, and hope to thrive in the classroom. And poems like this one. Thank you, favorite teacher, for acting like a friend and taking time to show me lessons hard to comprehend. The parents showed us sanitizers and rubbing alcohol, insisting they were observing COVID requirements. We also saw the tools they used to put their appreciation on display. The Prime Minister, too, shared a message for teachers.
You have become even more innovative and resourceful to positively impact the lives of your students. Although schools are closed, school is not out, and you continue to do your jobs brilliantly. This Teachers' Day, I want to thank you and commend you for the invaluable work you do in service to our great nation. Happy Teachers' Day.
We love you!
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.